Let's take a look at the graphic organizer. We'll use it to analyze how dialogue reveals Roger and Mrs. Jones's character traits. In other words, what do we learn about each character as they talk to one another? Text evidence goes on the left side in the boxes, and character traits go on the right. For this example, I want to show that Roger's honest. In the first box, I'm writing evidence from paragraph 28 when Roger said, "I wanted a pair of blue suede shoes." I think this shows he's honest because he could have just let Mrs. Jones think he was stealing because he was hungry. After all, Mrs. Jones would probably take more pity on him that way. So I put my evidence here in this box, and I write honest on the image of Roger. Now it's your turn. You can find more evidence that shows Roger's honesty, or you can write another character trait on his shirt and find more evidence for that character trait.